Hey guys, this is Mona. I just wanted to make this quick video to share what I use for lighting. Not everything I use, but just two things that have been helpful to me. This bulb here, someone asked me about my fiddle leaf fig in the corner there, what kind of lighting I have. Well, you can see I have an industrial type fixture I bought like from Home Depot or Lowe's. And I ordered this because this is a light bulb that you put in there. When you turn it on, you can pick what you want. Let me turn it back right the right way. You can choose the amount of time that the bulb will stay on, 6 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours. You press the little button, it'll light up according to your choice. And I'll post the information below. This is not sponsored, but one of you guys asked me a while back. I am so sorry it took me this long to give you this information. Also, just an FYI, I get these LED grow bulbs. I think there's 4 in here. And I put them in the regular lamps anywhere there's some plants nearby that might need some bright light. So just 2 of the things I like to do to help the plants grow indoors, because I don't have the best lighting here, so you got to do what you got to do. And this is very cheap. So I'll post the information below so you can order it if you like. Not sponsored, just a random video. Okay? I got to get to potting, so see you in the next one.